doing some prepping. This is my Iomega one that has really the best stuff in it, rather than Bill Mullen's fancy pants Swiss Army knife. That the only good thing on it is that magnifying glass. Maybe you could make a fire with it. But the rest of the stuff's kind of stupid. I need a saw, and I need a can opener, and I need this thingamajig. Take off a finger here. That wouldn't be good for doomsdaying. Anyway, there's a thing in here that you just stab. It's like there it is. I just, oh God, slice off a finger. Especially these scissors, holy cow. Did I sharpen those? Doubtful, I'm not good at that. Anyway, as I learn to make fire again, I'm going to practice chopping wood. I hate that I have this instinct. I don't know about this one. I need this to open up these tools. Talk about losing a finger. Like I said, that wouldn't be good for any sort of doomsday prepping. I'll give you all water. Come on, Kylie. I'd like to visit. Cheers.